Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool pattern. Really easy to make. That's what you need right there. And if we would kind of use some common sense here and unlock your ratio and draw a rectangle, and we want it to be 2 inches wide by 3 inches long. Now I'm going to lock my ratio back because then I want a ellipse and I want it 2 inches. Because I want to snap it to the middle, the midpoint right there, and then I'm going to hit the plus key and snap it to the midpoint. And that's kind of what we need right there. Now I'm going to take this and weld it, and I get that shape. Several ways you could do this, but I'm going to hit the plus key, and I'm going to put that one right there. No, I take it back. I'm going to put it right back up. And see, everything snaps really good to this. Grab that, put it there. And you can kind of see my shape forming. Hit the plus key, grab that node right there and have it snap to there. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete this line, and there is your shape. And, you know, this one might be a little pudgier than the one I made before. You know, I could have used a longer rectangle, but I kind of like it pudgy like that. Let me take that now. So everything should fit perfectly. If you take that and go down here, see, it just kind of fits. And we could definitely do this mathematically. And I find it easier just to keep going downhill and then go across. So I'm going to group those together and control. And this we could go definitely, but it snaps together so easily that we don't need to. Then you can go and make your outline whatever thickness you want. That's probably too thick. Let's go 16. And there you have that pattern. Now, unless you're going to cut it out, you don't need to do anything. We'll go ahead and make it yellow. We'll make it yellow on the line. And let's bring in let's just borrow this black box. And see, this one is squattier, but you get a different look. Both of them are pretty cool. So in that one, I use the longer triangle. You can be too long and it's going to not work. But if you go by the 2x3 rule, so 2 inches that way and 3 inches this way. Well, that was 4. Maybe I made it 4 by. No, I didn't. Here's the example. So it's 3 by 2, and then it ended up being, because you're adding that, it ended up being 2 by 4. Anyway, so you could use, I think it has to be like 3 by 2 or 3 by 1, 1.5, 2 by 4, something, it can't be like 7 by 1. That's a pretty cool, that's kind of a seamless pattern that you could keep going on it forever. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.